Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix your problem on Instagram when you see. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. So actually you just need to close the Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you just need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi here, so just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to go to general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power phone again, so just simple restore phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to check updates for Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for Instagram. So you just need to install them, download and install them on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and goodbye.